you should be favored, it seems that men turn against you. Where you should be glorified, it seems as if there is a veil of disappointment. It seems there is a veil of reproach. By fire, I demand every veil of reproach fighting you, every foundation of reproach fighting your marriage, fighting your husband. I'm praying for the woman. It seems as if your husband has tried everything. When it is time for him to be announced, there is a veil of disappointment. I speak. Let that veil be removed now. Garment of shame be destroyed now. Oh.